You searched how to buy shares of Gamehaus Holdings Inc. Gamehaus is a video game developer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GMHS, and this guide is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GMHS to locate the listing. Select the Gamehaus Holdings Inc. result to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the short company description and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the ticker GMHS and the company name to verify this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose any order type. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.